How you feeling over there?
Nervous, concerned, all of the above.
Oh crap, here we go. Oh, we're bouncing a lot. Oh man. Oh yeah. All right. So we are currently on the lift hill of Dinoconda, one of 3 of these 4D coasters. Oh man. These rides always make me a little nervous.
They make me a lot nervous.
Yeah, they make me a lot nervous too. In a moment, we are going to go face down and face our fears for the Snakeconda thingy.
Dinosaur Park thing?
Dinoconda. Do the dinosaurs that live in those houses over there, are they Dinocondos? See, Dinocondas, like condominiums. Oh crap! Oh my god! I'm just gonna lean back and just enjoy. Oh crap! Here we go! Straight down! Yeah! Oh wow! Woo! Okay, this is actually. Oh crap! Oh wow! Oh yeah! Oh, this has been rough. This is definitely not a comfortable ride by any stretch of the imagination. Oh crap! Oh my god! Oh wow! No, this is wow.
That's a lot.
That has not aged well. Whew! The out.
He came with us the whole ride.
All right, here we go. Against my better judgment, I am trying now the back seat, but I'm sitting on an inside, so this might improve. There goes nothing. Oh crap! Here we go. Oh man, we are shaking a lot here. Oh god. Let's see how this goes. We at least have a pretty view of this part of the section of the park. Alright. Like I said, my front outside seat was pretty damn rough. So I am trying again the back row inside seat. Let's see if this actually ends up being a little bit of a smoother ride or not. All right, we shall see. I think we are pretty close. Oh crap! All right, kids, here we go. Oh man! Dinoconda! Oh my god! Woo! Up and over! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! This is way smoother already! I hope I did not speak too soon! Whee! Oh man! I don't know which way is up! Woo! Okay, I bashed my head a little bit there. But overall, that was way better. Holy crap, yeah. Back seat of this ride, or at least like this nice inside seat. How did you do?
I did wonderfully. That was great.
That was really good. Unlike my front row side seat, outside seat, that was rough as hell, my inside back seat was pretty fucking great. So, I don't know, like we don't usually review theme parks at Theme Park Review, but my review would actually be, do not sit on the outside seat. On X2, on East Jamaica, on this one, sit right here on the inside. This was wonderful.